Alright folks, today we're going to be installing that light. The lights decided to give out on me. The problem with these lights is that you cannot change out the bulb on these. So once one of them goes out or both, you have to replace the entire fixture. It's not too bad. I'm really happy with that particular model there, which is the exact same one. That's what we're going to be doing today, installing it. And the reason I got the same one and not a version where you can replace the bulb is because I'm really happy with the quality of this particular model, because the sensor pretty sensitive. The lights are very bright, which adds that extra level of security. And again, they're LEDs. I guess I'll try to include the link in the description in case you guys want to pick them up. This is not a sponsored video, just so you know, so whether you do or you don't get it, totally up to you. Alright, and you got to make sure that you cut the power. Just turn off the entire thing. This cuts off power to the entire panel. Alright, this is a pretty straightforward bulb replacement or fixture replacement. We're going to be using a flathead screwdriver, Phillips, and a pair of pliers, of course some electrical tape. So let's start by removing the fixture. Okay. All right, we are going to wire it up the exact same way. Oh, this one should be ground. I'm not sure why it's loose. See, this is the new one. It also comes with the same pieces. All right, so yeah, I don't have to do any of this pre-wiring. It's already done for us. It already comes sealed, or some type of caulking or seal in there, so you don't have to worry about the moisture or anything like that. So again, the only wires you have to be concerned with are the white, the black, and the ground. We're gonna take our gasket and pop it in. I guess we could leave those wires in there since we don't have to mess with them. Then we take our gasket, like I said. You know what? Let's take the old one and the new one and pop them in there. They're there, like so, like so. That's it. And all we gotta do is just wire these back up to the same exact colors, since we do have these extra pieces here. Oh yeah, let's use the new ones instead. Okay. All right, let me just mention one thing before we actually install it, and it's hard to tell on camera here, but let's see. There are 3 functions: on time, middle function, auto, and D2D or dusk till dawn. Has 3 settings. I have it on auto. That means these will only work when it's supposed to come on, meaning mostly in the evening, throughout the night, and into the early morning. Take your wire and just spin it around, and then you're going to take this nut here and just join those 2 wires. That's it. Take your second wire, which is the black one, and do the same thing. For all those professional electricians, please don't make fun of me in case I am doing something wrong, and if I am, leave a comment. Let me know how this can be done better. That way I'll know, and the viewers will know when they read your comments. We're all trying to learn here, so yeah. Okay. Excellent. And I'm not gonna put any tape on this ground wire because Obviously the ground wire is already exposed, just the copper line sticking out. So we'll leave that as is. Now we're gonna pop this back into place. Yeah, here it is, folks. Sensor. Oh, we gotta point this down. All right, I just turned the power back on. Let's go ahead and test these. Oh yeah, check that out. In the daytime they are super bright. Okay, very happy with it. Looks like it works. Let's put these back to auto. There it is, auto.